Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to buy MATIC on MetaMask. In order to do this, you first have to launch a MetaMask mobile application. Now once you are on this page, the first thing that you need to do is simply select or change your network. In order to do this, you just have to tap on this drop arrow button in the top, and after that you need to tap on add network. As you want to purchase Polygon MATIC, you will have to select the Polygon MATIC. So you need to tap on the add button right next to it, and then you need to tap on confirm. Then you need to tap on switch to network, and there you go, you have successfully changed your network. Now over here you need to tap on got it, and here you are going to see the option of Buy MATIC. So you need to tap on Buy MATIC, and then you will be redirect on this page where you are going to see MATIC in the top, and over here you will have to enter the amount that you want to spend. After entering the amount, if you want to change your currency, then you can even change it by tapping on this stop arrow button right next to the currency, and here you just have to select Euro USD or the currency as per your country. As I selected it as PKR, then it will give you the payment method. In my country, it is showing me debit or credit card, but in your country, it may show some other options as well. So you will have to tap on get quotes option, and then it will take some time in fetching. Once done, it will ask you to continue with ramp network in the bottom. So you need to tap on this option, and then you will be redirect on the ramp network page. It may differ in your country as well. So you just have to follow the instructions that are given in your country or on your page. As it has redirected me on ramp network, it is asking me to provide the email address. So if you are seeing the same banner in front of you, then you need to provide your email address, and then you need to press this proceed button. Afterwards, you just have to conclude your payment using the debit or credit card, and this way you will be able to easily buy MATIC on MetaMask.